I'm John Hansen of Mountainland Supply of West Jordan. We recently moved locations to better serve you. We have experts in waterworks, plumbing, geogrid, landscape irrigation, pumps, tools, and safety. Just about anything you need for your residential or commercial projects.
Hi, I'm Josh Lobos, and I work on the sales counter here. I love when a customer comes in with a question and we know the answer.
I'm Candace Holden, and I work in the warehouse. I really enjoy that I get to work with people who feel like family, and I love the fact that Mountainland is now employee owned, and I look forward to being part of this family for a long time.
Hi, I'm Jeff Carricker, Assistant Branch Manager here at West Jordan. It's all about the people I work with here. I've been here about 10 years because of them.
My name is Oscar Tinoco. I'm a counter salesman, and I enjoy working here because it's a great opportunity to learn a lot of new things and the interaction with the new customers.
My name is Matthew Nelson. I enjoy working here at Mountainland Supply West Jordan because having the customers come in with problems that they can't figure out or can't find parts for, and having them be able to find them here.
Here at Mountainland Supply in West Jordan, I'm happy to have employees that are committed to making your business better. No matter the weather, no matter the time, they're committed. Come to Mountainland Supply in West Jordan at 4370 West New Bingham Highway, or visit us at mountainlandsupply.com.